What's poppin', my friends on YouTube? This is Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and I just picked up the oscillating multi-tool from Harbor Freight, and I figured I'd do an unboxing video to see what we actually get with this. So this particular model here, I paid $30-ish, I think just under $40 for this. Comes with a couple attachments. I'm using it for vinyl plank installations, for undercutting baseboards and door trim, things like that. Make my life a little bit easier. So we will see what all we get in this model here. It's crazy, there's a lot of fluff in this box. So half of the box is a styrofoam block. So that was kind of unnecessary for all that, but anyway. So here's the multi-tool we get. Got the speeds on it. Now let's see what kind of attachments. Instruction manual, nobody ever reads that. We got 2 sandpaper attachments. Buffer pad for that, a flat blade scraper attachment, get an old grout or old floor prep up. Here's the piece I'm going to need. Basically all that other stuff is going in the garbage. But for me, I need this saw attachment to undercut the door trim so I can slide the vinyl planking under it, give it a nicer finish. So basically this is all I bought this unit for, was just this, roughly $30. We are going to do a follow-up video of this to show you how it performs on the job site, if it's worth the investment, so you know to add it to your collection or not. So to catch that follow-up video, be sure to tap the subscribe button and stay tuned, because it's always that time to do the DIY toolkit giveaway. Who knows? This may be in one of the bundles one of these days. We have a new package coming out, so if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get notified when we have the new bundle ready. Probably today or tomorrow we'll send that video out. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.